In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Backpack in Dead Cells Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Backpack is available on Dead Cells on all platforms, including mobile. On mobile, it isn't going to appear on the main interface, but you can still access your equipment, and you will be able to check if you have an item in your backpack. So, the backpack allows you to store a third weapon or item when your inventory is full. To access the backpack, make sure that you unlock it first. It is going to be an early game upgrade, and then after you have it unlocked, when you pick up a weapon that would fill your inventory, you will get the option to place it in your backpack. To retrieve items from the backpack, you can either swap it with a current weapon by picking up another item, or by using the backpack's dedicated button. So, like I said, this is going to depend on where you are playing Dead Cells. For mobile, the option is going to be available here, so you open up your equipment and you tap on your backpack. And after it is unlocked, you can store items in there. The main purpose or usage of the backpack is to keep a third weapon that you potentially want to swap into later. Some items will also have special effects when placed in the backpack, so depending on some items that you have, you can get special effects. Keep in mind that you cannot directly use the items in your backpack unless you have a mutation, for example Armadillo Pack or Porcu-Pack. Some items like the Giant Killer cannot be stored in the backpack. With all of that said, it is still an incredibly useful tool that allows you to keep a weapon for later, so for specific scenarios, for example when you need to kill bosses, when you need to kill normal mobs, you might want to switch, so you can keep a weapon available in there whenever needed. And it can also be used to proc certain mutations, so I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you on how to use the backpack, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.